Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this Drain Weasel starter kit. Perfect for unclogging hair from drains. Here's what the front of the package looks like. Tells you what it includes. 5 wands, 1 handle, just like this on the picture. Website. Flip it around. You have the directions here. Feel free to pause, look through any of this. It's relatively simple to read through and understand. You just attach the handle to the top of the stick, stick the spiky end down the drain, and twist 360 degrees. And pull it back out. These are what the unclogging mechanisms look like right up here. It will come with a handle that attaches to these where you can rotate it around 360 degrees. Really get it in there. These are nice long lengths, made of plastic, bendable. Comes with these spiky attachments at the bottom in order to grab onto the clog to rip it out. It's a very effective tool to use for unclogging drains. Works well for us. Try it out with yourself.